Hi friends, welcome to my new YouTube channel. I'm so excited you're joining me on this journey. So this channel was created specifically for those of you out there who are involved in virtual and cryptocurrency. So my goal with this channel is to help those of you who file US tax returns with the IRS to fully understand your tax reporting responsibilities and obligations. I also want to provide you with the tools you need to make staying compliant as easy as possible. So a little bit about me, I am a crypto tax expert and I'm a Colorado board certified accountant, although I can help and do help clients across the country with their tax needs. When most people think of CPAs, they tend to picture a 7-year-old guy with big wide brim glasses and maybe the green visor like in the old Norman Rockwell paintings, or maybe a younger guy with suspenders and maybe a pocket protector. A lot of people, when they describe what they think an accountant or a CPA is, they think of dry or quiet or inverted. And good or bad, I am none of those things. So what I hope to do here is to bring some fun and charisma to a topic that is painful and excruciatingly boring to most people. So that said, what I do, I welcome you guys to send me your suggestions and your questions. So after I get through my first intro series that I'm going to start this week, I will rely on you guys, the viewers, to provide me with your questions and areas of concern to help me produce the rest of my future content. So the more engaged you are, the more useful this channel is going to be to you. So strap in and let's go.